Ngiyababingelela bonke abazalwane egameni likaJesu Kristu waseNazaretha. uNkulunkulu emuhle njalo, sisaphilile, sisindisiwe, siyakholwa kungenxa yomsa wakhe. Ekseni asihlanganyele ezwini likaNkulunkulu elitholakala ku-Ezekiel chapter 22 verse 30. Inde kakhulu i-chapter, but then I would like to emphasize verse 30. Ufundeka kanje: I looked for someone among them who will build up the wall and stand before me in the gap on behalf of the land, so I will not have to destroy it, but I found no one. Leli zwi bazalwane likhuluma ngabantwana baka-Israyeli ngalesikhathi base-Jerusalem. They have mentioned izono zonke ebabezenza, like izono ezingakhulumeki esizibonayo nanamhlanje, i-phonification, ukuhlukunyezwa ngabantu besifazane, ziningi zibaliwe. And then uNkulunkulu bekafisa ukubasave, but then bekudingeka umuntu oyedwa ozoma akhe ubona ame on behalf of the land ukuze uNkulunkulu angalidestroy, but akamfumananga. So ziningi izinto ezenzakalayo namhlanje. We have an option ukuthi stopper, but then kudingeka umuntu oyedwa who will take a stand and build a wall and stand on the gap on behalf of the whole nation. Abantu besifazane bayabulawa namhlanje, babulawa njengezilwane. The government is trying ukwenza ama-means oku-reduce oku-minimize lokho, but then it is beyond okungenziwa i-government. We need only one man who will stand and build a wall on behalf of the whole nation. Singabazalwane besingeke yini sithathe that position to stand on the gap on behalf of the nation, sinxuse kuNkulunkulu wethu osidalileyo ukuseva izwe lethu. Singagcini ezweni lethu, siqhubeke nasemndenini yethu. Abantu basemndenini yethu bayagula, they are suffering, others are poor, but sikhona, siyakholwa, sisindisiwe. We have an option to stand on behalf of the whole family and break ama-curses abekwa ngemndeni yethu. Bazalwane, we have the authority to stand and build a wall on behalf of our families. If ukhona wena, you have an authority ukunqaba, refuse for your family to suffer, refuse for your family to die. You have that opportunity. uNkulunkulu usinikezile a chance to build a wall and stand on behalf of our family. Namhlanje ekseni bekungumthandazo wami ukuthi engathi singathatha leyo position and say enough is enough. Sime and build a wall on behalf of our family, on behalf of our colleagues, on behalf of our students, if sifunda, on behalf of imindeni yethu, and refuse for them to suffer. Sikhona, sinawo amandla okunqoba konke. Amen.